The next technique we'll look at is self-criticism. There's not really an established name for this, but that's basically what we're asking the model to do. We're going to ask it to criticize its own output. So if I ask it to write me a blog post on the ski runs with the silliest names in the country, it will generate the blog post. And then afterwards, I can say, can you improve the blog post? Tell me how. What suggestions do you have? And it's criticizing its own output that it generated. So here's a blog post I had it generate me on technical interviews, how to prepare for coding interviews. Here it is. It gives me an abstract and then the blog post itself. So after it finishes, I'm now going to say, can you improve upon the blog post you just wrote? How? And let's just try that. And it will come up with some other suggestions. It can be enhanced by providing more details and examples. It can make it more practical and actionable. We can also add relevant resources and tips for each section. So here's the improved version. It's going to take a while to finish because it's kind of a long post that it's writing. So it made a bunch of changes. It now provides, I'm still getting the reasoning, by the way. I asked it to explain its reasoning every time it changes. It's providing specific resources, highlights the importance of iterative learning. There's a new section on post-interview reflection right here, and it provides more practical advice. And I could also even follow up by saying, what changes did you suggest? What changes did you implement if I wasn't sure exactly what it did? But it's all about additional resources. So it included online resources in every section. We can actually see this if we take a look at one of these sections. It's mentioning LeetCode and HackerRank or Pramp and interviewing.io. It actually includes specific resources. Anyway, that's just a technique that you can use to enhance the output that you get. One thing that I would say I'm not thrilled about is that I said, can you improve upon the blog post that you just wrote? How? I probably should have rephrased this so that it didn't actually rewrite the entire blog post, because maybe I don't want it to rewrite it. I want to see what its plan is. So maybe I could do something like, can you suggest a plan for improving the blog post? Don't actually change the post yet. Just tell me the specific changes and suggestions you would make to improve it. And this might give me a better quality result where it doesn't actually try rewriting the post just yet. It will give me some specific details, and then I can decide, do I want to add personal anecdotes? Do I want to add visuals? And then I can ask it to do those things. Anyway, that's asking it to be critical of its own output.